Good morning, good morning. Time check, 5:30 AM. Papunta na kami sa Niskus.
Hi, good morning.
Medyo madaling. Papunta na kami dun sa pier. So mga 10 minutes na lakaran. Ewan kung totoo 10 minutes. Sabi ni Google 10 minutes. Madaling pala dito. Good morning ulit. Nandito na kami sa Rizal Boulevard sa may Dumaguete City. Ito may mga nagja-jogging na. So on the way na kami sa pier. Medyo nagpapakita na ng konti yung araw. Ayun o, ang liwanag dito.
Ay, hindi ba nakainom na ang taste mo?
Ayun, makikita mo yung I love Dumaguete. Tatawid tayo para maganda yung view.
Dapat pala kanina, doon na tayo dumaan para mag-
So ito na yung dagat ng Dumaguete. I love Dumaguete. So doon pa kami pupunta sa pinaka-pier. Mga half a kilometer pa. Lalakad lang. Ayun na, nandito na kami sa mga ticketing office ng ferry papuntang Siquijor. Ito yung mga iba-ibang shipping. Allison, Medallion, iba-ibang biyahe ito, Inter-Island, Titan, ito Ocean Jet, Fastcraft, Montenegro. So dito kami sasakay sa Montenegro, 7 AM trip. So time check, 6 AM. So here's the view of the Dumaguete Seaport and Dumaguete Boulevard. So doon kami galing kanina dyan. It took us 25 minutes walk from our accommodation. Mabilisan na kaso maraming stop. Di ba Miss Ella?
Apa.
So nakabili na kami ng ticket for 7 AM trip going to Siquijor. Worth 243 pesos. Regular price siya. They also give discounts for students, PWD, and senior citizen. Nasa video naman yung mga presyo niya. So we're now here in the Port of Siquijor. So ito yung pinaka-welcome gate niya. Ay,
Port of
cut.
Dumaguete na Siquijor.
Cut. So welcome to the Port of Dumaguete. Ito yung pinaka-main entrance ng seaport going to the terminal. So pasok po tayo. So we're now inside the Dumaguete Port. May command post pala dito yung Coast Guard. So sa Terminal 2 daw kami. Ito kasi Terminal 1 eh. Close pa siya. Ito, Passenger Port Terminal. Medyo madalim lang. Passenger Port Terminal. So doon daw kami sa Terminal 2. This is now the building of Port of Dumaguete, Philippine Ports Authority. This one's the Terminal 2. So ito yung mga trips niya. Going to Dapitan, medyo malabo lang. Dapitan, Siquijor, Cebu. So combination to ng Fastcraft din na Ro-Ro vessel. So papasok na kami. Need to pay the terminal fee, which is 15 pesos per person. Since dalawa kami, so it's 30 pesos. Affordable compared sa ibang terminal. Time check, 6:15 AM. So nandito na kami sa loob ng terminal ng Siquijor Port. So waiting area. So ang alis ng ferry sa 7 AM. So waiting pa kami. So siguro mga 15 minutes bago umalis. Baka magpa-boarding na or much earlier. So kita lang tayo mamaya sa mismong ferry boat. So pupunta na kami doon sa sasakyan namin ferry. Nagpapa-boarding na. Ito yung sasakyan namin. Montenegro Lines, Batangas. So, according sa mga officials, travel time daw is 1 hour and a half. So, depende sa kondisyon ng dagat. So, ito yung mismo ang pinaka-port area na. Ayan yung pa isang barko. Hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta yun. Pero this one, ito yung biyahe papunta ng sikat ng araw. So, papunta ng Siquijor. So it's a ro-ro vessel. Roll on, roll off. So mix siya, pwedeng cargo, pwedeng mga vehicle. So sa second floor, sa taas yung mga human passenger. Yan si Mrs. Cruz. So ito yung mga vehicles, mga motor vehicles na doon nila isasakay sa pinaka-platform. So medyo nararamdaman na namin yung galaw ng barko. Nahihilo na si Rachel. Nag-bonaming ka ba?
No.
Dapat nag-bonaming ka muna. So doon kami aakyat pupuntang taas, second floor or hanggang third floor. Medyo malaki itong barko. So mag-sign na kami ng passenger manifest. So we are going up pataas. So kapit lang, medyo gumagalaw na yung barko. So, hawak lang sa mga railings. Mahihilo ka dyan na Sheila. Mataas eh. So tingnan natin kung aalis ang time yung barko, which is 7 AM.
Pwede din tayo dito?
Hindi, iba yan. Taas tayo para maganda view. Para mas nakakahilo.
Kahit parang sinuot ko yung kay Andrew.
Hawak ah. Parehas lang. O dito lang tayo. Parehas lang ba? O dito lang tayo. Para hindi masyadong nakakahilo. Ganito pala yung style ng cabin niya or sakayan. Puro bunk bed. Kala ko yung mga type ng sitting arrangement. Ito pwedeng humiga. So kahit saan naman pala pwedeng pumesto. Okay lang sa'yo dito, sa baba na lang tayo. Mas nakakahilo dito.
Okay lang dito.
Baba na lang?
Hindi, okay lang dito.
So hanap na lang kami ng pwedeng pwestuhan.
Dito lang tayo sa dito.
So ito yung province ng Cebu. Medyo malakas ang hangin. So yan yung island province ng Cebu. So malapit lang din siya sa Dumaguete. 30 minutes. We are approaching the port of Siquijor. So we left Dumaguete port at 7:20 a.m. and it's now 8:50, almost 8:50 a.m. So it took 1 hour and 30 minutes for the ferry ride. Ito na yung bridge, Montenegro shipping lines. So see you na lang pagbaba sa port. So we just disembarked from the ferry and Montenegro lines. So nagdi-disembark na rin yung mga sasakyan na sakay ng Roro vessel. So punta na kami ng terminal. Wala palang terminal dito. Diretso labasan na. Philippine Ports Authority, Port of Siquijor. Ito yung terminal. Pag babalik ka na ng Dumaguete, yung papasok. So far, low tide pa. Mamaya pang 1 PM yung high tide. Since 9 AM pa lang, low tide pa siya. So in matter of 4 hours, high tide na yan. Rachel, welcome to Siquijor!
Hello! Welcome to Bali!
Siquijor lang. Ito ang third smallest island province ng Philippines.
Siquijor!
It's also called
Majestic?
Island of Fire or Islas del Fuego. Kaya tawag din itong Mystic Island.
Mystical.
Mystical Island. Sometimes they call it a healing island dahil may mga faith healer yata dito or yung old school na manggagamot. So, ang ganda. So, nag-disembark na rin yung mga sakay ng ferry. Mga truck, motor, SUV, kotse. So kakain muna kami bago kumuha ng mag-rent ng motorcycle. So ito yun, Port of Siquijor.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces all the time. Pictures so perfect we play through only cause you set up the angle. Web that you we've got us tangled, caught in what's before our eyes. Show off your fantasy reality. Whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse from the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life. Catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Beautiful people still make mistakes. It isn't perfection, what is it we chase? Bow for your 15 seconds of fame. It's your time. Give me the messy, give me the pain. A rose will not grow without the rain. I wanna be someone who says there's more than meets the eye. Show off your fantasy, reality, whoa, that's yours, but I'll keep doing mine. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse of the outside, then you see me now, see me now, see me now. Don't need any timeline to prove that this is my life. I can see it now, see it now, see now. Best foot forward, don't catch you slipping. Never know the things that you're feeling. Capture your body, get your best side. Breathe in the world, fake us a smile. Walk in the lines, fine, but I hope one day you'll